Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will understand object detection and the classic sliding window approach used for object detection. Let's begin. What is object detection? Object detection is a computer vision task where a model not only identifies what objects are present in an image, but also determines where they are located using bounding boxes. For example, in an image containing cars and pedestrians, object detection will classify each object, car, person, bike. Draw a bounding box around each detected object. Unlike image classification, which predicts a single label for the entire image, object detection works at the object level. What is object tracking? Object tracking is used in videos. Once an object is detected in the first frame, tracking algorithms follow that object across subsequent frames. For example, tracking a moving car in traffic surveillance. Tracking players in sports analytics detection answers what and where. Sliding window approach. Before deep learning-based detectors, a classical method called the sliding window approach was used. Here's how it works. A fixed-size window moves across the image. At each position, the image patch inside the window is passed to a classifier. If the classifier detects an object, that region is marked. To detect objects of different sizes, the image is resized multiple times. The window slides over each scale. However, this method is computationally expensive because it evaluates thousands of regions. Modern methods like region-based CNNs and single-shot detectors improved efficiency significantly. Conclusion: object detection identifies and localizes objects. Object tracking follows them across frames. The sliding window approach laid the foundation for today's advanced detection models. Thank you for learning.